Hi guys, so there we are, classic English video. Today we are going to look at the present simple. So, I am here, you are here, we are here, everybody's here. Maybe your dog or cat, maybe it is also here. So, present simple, what is that? The present simple are facts, okay? As I just said, I am from England, or you are students. You are, we are students. Or he, she, it is. Okay, so he is a student, she is a student, or it is a cat. It is a cat. For things, for objects, okay? So your computer, your car, yeah, your dog, your cat, your tree, your garden, doesn't matter. It's an it. Apart from, it has a name. So if your tree is called Oscar, Oscar the tree, then it's he, the tree, okay? But normally it. Okay, so facts about me. I am 1 meter 83. I am from England. I am married. I am a coach or a manager or a cook or a gardener or a football player, okay? We are, you are. Okay, so we, everybody, or you are. Okay, so you are a manager, or you are a cook, or you are a football player, or we are football players. Yeah, okay, or we are a company, or we are cooks. Okay, and then he, she, it. Okay, so he is tall. Jan is tall. Okay, you don't know Jan, but he is tall. She is slim. She is pretty. She is beautiful. Okay, she is angry. Okay, so don't make your wife angry, guys. Yeah, happy wife, happy life. Okay, or it is. Okay, so it is hungry, or it is empty, or it is hot weather, it is cold. Okay, so I am, we, you are, he, she, it is, and then whatever you wish to say. Okay, good. And now we'll look at the other part of the present simple, basics. Yeah, facts. The other part is habits. So habits are things that I do over and over again. Every day, every week, every year. Okay? For example, habit, I go to bed at 11 every day, or 11 o'clock every day. I drink 2 cups of coffee every morning, always. He, she. Okay, so Jan. I must be careful with my laser pointer. I might blind you. Okay, so Jan, he is late every Thursday. Yeah, I think he drinks too much coffee. Yeah, so late every Thursday. Or she is late every Monday. Okay, or the football players are late every Saturday. Okay. Or the football players play every weekend. They play every Saturday. They play every Sunday. Okay. Also indicators. Okay. A little, an indicator to let you know you are in the present simple. The adverbs. Okay. Adverbs like always, often, usually, never. Never is of course a negative. Okay, so he or she often goes to the movies, or he or she often goes to a restaurant, or he or she often goes to work by bus. Okay, things with myself. I usually wear blue. I don't normally wear green. Okay, I always drink tea, but I never drink whiskey. That is not true. I love whiskey, but it's an example. Okay, so, or my wife, she always drinks wine. She never drinks vodka, which is true. Jan always drinks coffee. He never drinks tea. I don't know. Is that true? Jan, is that true?
It's true.
It's true. There you go. Okay, guys. So that was, basic introduction to the present simple. Okay. If you have any questions, please, leave us a comment, ask us some questions, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you then. Bye for now.